Can you draw a butterfly?
Yes.
Okay, let's see it. Yeah, kind of looks like a butterfly. Wow. Ooh. Can you draw a snake?
Yes.
Alright.
I don't hold it. Sit down.
You gonna erase it first? Oops.
Oh.
Erase the other part too. Yeah.
Or still.
Can you draw a snake? Snake?
Still.
Snake?
No, it's still. It's a brown.
You gonna draw a snail?
No, it's not. I said the word is no. No.
Yeah, the two cots that are, one's in Raleigh at the moment, and the other one's in freaking Charlotte. Someone over, whoever was running crap in the draw, in their infinite wisdom, Saturday morning, told the guys just to fold up your cots. They said just make a pile of drill. Told them to fold up their cots and store them in their vehicles.
A yawning.
And then Saturday night, they took them all back out to stay here.
Oh.
And then Sunday morning, they told them to store them back in the vehicles again. Well, these two guys, with what, AIDT or RIDT?
No.
Apparently they left on Saturday and never took the cots back out of their trucks and went back to their houses.
Why would you even want one of those things anyway? Those things
No, they just forgot them.
I don't know.